Now that you have a basic understanding of how the Revit UI works, let's practice the following exercise together. Create a new project using the architectural template. Select the wall icon and click once on the canvas. Extend the wall in the desired direction and click once to end the wall. Click on the modify icon or press escape to end the wall command. From the project browser, double-click on the 3D view and click once to select the wall. Change the wall type to curtain wall storefront and also change the height to 3 meters. Change it back to solid wall and look for the wall named as shown on the screen. That is wall-ext_215pwk. Enable the shadow and click on top view from the view cube. Click on the arrow pointing downwards and click on different arrows to move around the project. Now click on the full navigation wheel and use the rewind tool to go back in time. This concludes our overview of the Revit user interface.